Gita says your success and your failure is completely in your hands. You are your best friend, and indeed it is you who is your worst enemy. If you have control over your mind, you are your best friend, and if you don't have any control over your mind and senses, you are your worst enemy. And this concept is beautifully explained in the 13th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yoga. Gita says our life is like a field, and as long as we are alive, we are the farmers. Now, what we do with this blessed life is completely in our hands. We have a choice, and we are responsible for what we grow and reap. We have a choice to grow seeds of disciplined life and make our life successful, or we have a choice to grow weeds of undisciplined and unsuccessful life and spoil our life. But the choice is completely ours, and everything that happens with us is completely in our hands.